Before taking the plunge and invest good money in a VPS hosting plan, you must first take the time to understand what VPS is, and what VPS is not. That will help you make the right buying decisions. Obviously, a VPS plan is not for everyone. Let's try to understand more about VPS first before taking a look at what HostGator has to offer. VPS, which stands for Virtual Private Servers, is hosting on a shared server. However, using special software, the server is able to split itself into several smaller sections, which can function without interference from one another. For instance, if one VPS goes down, the others can continue to function normally. The benefits are obvious. Usually, when clients sign up for shared hosting, their sites are hosted on machines that already have hundreds or even thousands of sites on them. Sometimes, servers may be overloaded or even compromised due to unsecure scripts. Note that there is very little a client can do if the server is to go down, even though the client himself has done nothing wrong. Clients understand that they are undertaking such risks when signing up for shared hosting. However, with a VPS plan, clients get much more reliable hosting services since they don't have to worry about their VPS server going down due to errors not committed by them. Of course, VPS hosting clients tend to expect lower resource usage, since the resources are shared. Usually, clients upgrade to VPS plans when they find that a shared hosting plan can no longer cater to their needs. For instance, they need more control over the server environment, or they need more dedicated resources to run their sites. So, what does HostGator has to offer when it comes to VPS plans? Many hosting companies offer only one admin control panel for such hosting. HostGator allows the clients to choose between cpanel, virtuoso, and splice. As different clients have different needs, the company has also taken the trouble to offer a total of 9 levels. Level 1 offers the least amount of resources, but it's the cheapest, and Level 9 offers the highest amount of resources, the most expensive. When considering VPS hosting, clients usually start with the basic 4 factors: CPU, RAM, disk space and bandwidth. With these factors taken into consideration, clients may then estimate whether the plan offers enough resources to power their websites. What is amazing about HostGator's VPS plans is that the lowest plan only costs $19.95. This is a highly competitive price that is rarely seen in the hosting industry. All VPS servers are hosted in high-speed, 20 megabit per second, data centers and powered by Dell with Intel CPUs. Clients also enjoy automated off-site weekly backups. Before taking the plunge and invest good money in a VPS hosting plan, you must first take the time to understand what VPS is, and what VPS is not. That will help you make the right buying decisions. Obviously, a VPS plan is not for everyone. Let's try to understand more about VPS first before taking a look at what HostGator has to offer. VPS, which stands for Virtual Private Servers, is hosting on a shared server. However, using special software, the server is able to split itself into several smaller sections, which can function without interference from one another. For instance, if one VPS goes down, the others can continue to function normally. The benefits are obvious. Usually, when clients
Hi there, my name is Chris from Learn WP with Chris, and in this video today I'm going to show you how to create and remove add-on domains. If you don't know what an add-on domain is, an add-on domain allows you to control multiple domains from a single account. An add-on domain links to a new domain name to a directory in your account and then stores its files in that directory. So to do this, we need to scroll down to where it says domains, and then under that we're going to click on add-on domains. So to create an add-on domain, we've got to perform the following steps. So step 1 is enter the new add-on domain name in the new domain name text box. When you enter the domain name, cpanel automatically populates the subdomain and document root text boxes. Step 2. To create multiple add-on domains with the same username and different extensions, for example, example.com and example.net, manually enter a unique username in the subdomain text box. To choose a document root other than the automatically populated value, manually enter the directory name in the document root text box. So to create an FTP account for the new add-on domain, select the Create an FTP account associated with this add-on domain checkbox. If you select this checkbox, additional settings will appear. cpanel automatically populates the FTP username text box. To select a different FTP account username, manually enter the desired username, and enter and confirm the new password in the appropriate text boxes. And then finally, just click Add Domain. So if you want to remove one of your add-on domains, if you're on this screen, just scroll on down and you'll get a list of active add-on domains. To remove it, just go all the way over to the right and click Remove. If this video helped you out, please could you give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you and goodbye.